throughout the course, I'll be using VS Code. So in order to download VS Code, you can go to Google and then look for VS Code. And from there, you can go to the website, the first link which you see here, and then you can click on download for Windows. Now I have already downloaded and installed VS Code, so you can do the same. So let's minimize that, and I'm going to close this one, and let's open this VS Code over here. And then I'm going to create my project in the desktop. So let's go to File, Open Folder. I'm going to choose Desktop. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this as Django_project. And then select that folder. Now that the project folder is selected, the next thing what we have to do is we have to set up a virtual environment to build our Django project. So I'm going to close the start page over here. Now here you can see that we have a terminal option. So just click on this one. I'm going to click on New Terminal. I'm going to choose Command Prompt instead of PowerShell. So with the help of Command Prompt, as you can see that I'm already inside the project, I'm going to say virtual env and hit enter. This is going to create a folder called env inside your project. So now what you have to do is we have to navigate inside that folder. So I'm going to go to cd env/scripts. Now hit enter. So inside the scripts we have a command called activate. That's going to activate the virtual environment for us to work with Django. So just type in activate. As you can see here in the beginning of the line, we can see that env is enabled, which basically means that virtual environment is now enabled. So now we have to come outside that script to our project folder. Just type in cd // and hit enter. Now as you can see here, we are back in the Django folder. Now since the virtual environment is set up, we have to again install Django in the virtual environment. Just type in pip install Django. Great, now Django is installed. So now what we have to do is we have to create a first project. Now I'm going to name my first project as my site, but you can choose to name it whatever you wanted. So what we're going to do next is we're going to create our project.